Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Alice. Last time I said our next stop in the Asian civilization series was coming up. But this week I'm keeping it really simple, no big theme, no Asian history, just a little creative break to gather ideas and play. I think it's nice to have these lighter sections in between, so the creative energy keeps flowing. I'm keeping the same relaxed vibe as the last episode, just letting inspiration happen in the moment. This time, I wanted to do something super easy and playful. Without worrying about making a finished piece, it's all about seeing where the colors and the patterns take me. Today, I'm using washi tape. I've got lots of rolls in different colors and designs. The first roll I chose was a blue tone with tiny purple flowers. It really pops and gives the right side a good starting point. Then I picked a wider white tab with lots of flowers, softer but still colorful. All these tabs were bought in China, so they have that nice Chinese style. The third row was also white with vintage blue patterns, very traditional and classic. These three together already set a tone for the whole page. Next, I added a deep green to balance the blues and purples and give it more depth, almost like adding shadows in the painting. Then a strip of gold to warm things up and catch the light. And finally a narrow blue tape with a vintage wave pattern, small detail but it frames the side nicely. So the right half is almost blues with a touch of green and gold. Blue films charm, but green and gold add balance. Cool and warm all in one space. Once half the page was done, I could see it coming together. The best part is really easy. You are not drawing, you are not stressing, but you are still creating a design. It almost gets you thinking about patterns. In design, layout, even fashion, patterns are a big deal. This is such a simple, hands-on way to play with them. And that can spark ideas for other projects too. The left side was much quicker. I started with a red, then added floral patterns and gold to balance it. This half is mostly reds, yellows, and some white space, enough to keep it bright and open. And that's the whole page. It's simple, but it still feels like a complete little work. Made just from washi tape, I love how the cool blues and greens balance with the warm red and gold. You don't need any drawing skills to try this. It's just a fun, easy way to play with colors and patterns. And sometimes that's all it takes to spark your next idea. Okay, so that's all for today. I hope everyone has a nice day, and I will see you in the next episode. Bye!